Indian forces have intensified surveillance, cordon and search operation in various areas of Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The operations involve personnel from the Indian Army, BSF and CRPF with increased use of surveillance tools and equipment. Recent operations have led to arrests and have created an atmosphere of fear and tension in the region. The Indian military actions, they are part of a broader strategy to spread dissent and control the narrative in the region. Local residents, they are facing immense psychological and physical stress due to ongoing searches and surveillance. The situation remains volatile, with human rights concerns and tensions between Indian forces and local population continuing to escalate. The Kashmir dispute with India remains a threat to global peace, warns Pakistan, urging the United Nations to intervene. The ongoing human rights violation and the Indian atrocities in the region pose a serious challenge to regional peace and security. The international community is called upon to take notice and pressure India to cease its actions. Former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has urged Prime Minister Narendra Modi to fulfill his promise of restoring statehood to the region. This appeal underscores the ongoing demand for statehood and autonomy in Jammu and Kashmir, which still remains a contentious issue. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti has linked her party's support for the National Conference NC in the Rajya Sabha's poll to the passage of two key bills. This development highlights the complex political dynamics in Jammu and Kashmir, where alliances and negotiations play a crucial role in shaping the region's future. Samajwadi Party MP Iqra Hassan has refused to be silenced after being called a terrorist. Iqra's statement underscores her determination to speak out against injustice and defend her constituents, despite facing criticism and personal attacks. A 30-year-old mosque was recently bulldozed in Sambhal district of Uttar Pradesh, sparking controversy and concern. The demolition has raised questions about the rule of law and the treatment of minority communities in the region.